Oh, the old ductor tape. Smells like a new rig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back on the 65 C10. So everybody seems to be enjoying the content on this, so thank you for the likes and the subscribes and the follows for all that. Today we're just doing a little bit of cleaning. We've got lots of things to do in this truck, but my big goal for this summer is really just to get it on the road so we can kind of enjoy it and actually drive the thing. So I got some brake line stuff coming and it's in the works, which will make it a little even more roadworthy. I gotta find some tires, pretty rough shape. I'll show you the tires, pretty rough. You know, just to sit in it and think about it, it's nicer when it's clean. So we're gonna do that today. Also gonna check the lights and that sort of thing, see if we can get all those little details working out. They all worked before, so it'll just be a matter of tweaking a couple things to make sure it's all good. So see what it looks like to clean a truck that hasn't been, I don't know what that was, cleaned out in a long time. Oh man. Seat covers, gotta go. Oof. Oof. Yuck. You ain't never seen mouse turds. Oh, I can't believe how dirty the seat is. Oh my goodness. I mean, I should believe it, but I don't. Oh, that's just raunchy. Okay, that's pretty well vacuumed out, aside from taking the seat out. Just looking at my rust situation over here. We're going to jump her across, but I mean, it's actually not as bad as it could be. Nice thing about these old trucks is they're so simple that there's not much to trap extra water, so it's just, but yeah, this whole panel's really got to get replaced. Touch her up there. Passenger side, well, 14 years old and going crazy with the spray foam. You know, she's pretty solid, just saying. Aside from a few poke holes coming through there. Oh, there's a coffee cup up here. Where'd that come from? Interesting. Yeah, the rest of it's surprisingly decent shape. I gotta show you though, on the other side, the foam in this seat. Okay, how many vehicles at this age, and the seat was torn, so I'm not sure if it's been torn since the seat cover was on it, but it's kind of had a seat cover on it for a number of years. You can see the, you can see that in there, but this has definitely been used. It's worn a little bit. But how many vehicles at this age have you seen a seat foam like that? Like that's actually incredible that that thing survived that long. So I'm definitely going to duct tape this all up, and then we're going to get another seat cover to go back on top because it's just such amazing shape for what it is. Eventually, guy wants to do something different for all these seats anyway, but wow, that's amazing. Down here though in the rust, you can see the floorboards here. We got air coming through here. We got air conditioning coming through here. Put a patch panel here again when it was 14, so I mean that's kind of, there's not much underneath this, I don't think. And neither is the cab support, so that's probably the biggest issue. Half a inner rocker left here, some wires dangling, that's super handy. Up here it's more surface rust almost than anything, so that's actually pretty impressive. So, but realistically this whole floor pan's got to get cut and replaced on this side. Not as bad on that other side considering how old, how rough a shape this thing got left. My great uncle had this truck and he was a bachelor fellow, and he, everything was super meticulous, even if it wasn't always the best kind of meticulous. He took a lot of care and pride in stuff that he had. So things like the keychain are original that he had on this truck, and we have the owner's manual around for it yet. There used to be I'm sure I got the jack somewhere. I took it out of there at one point, but he used to have the tire jack and everything still underneath the seat inside this truck. So It definitely had a lot of TLC given to it back in the day, even though maybe we didn't understand some of the ways of preventing rust, like getting it out of the salt, and so suffered in those ways. But as far as it being cared for, that's why it still runs and drives today. So I think I'm going to do a little steam cleaning. I got a cool steamer cleaner thing, clean steamer machine. So I'm going to just blow a bunch of steam inside here, try and kill some of that moose crap there. Don't tell my mom. She might want to drive in here at some point. It's not in her garage at all. So, but yeah, we'll do a little steam cleaning and yeah, see if we can kind of burn out some of that stuff. And then we're going to try to polish the dash and see if I can get the bug crap off there. So, because that's nice or not nice. Okay, let's go. It's not bad. Oh man, what a mess. That was a blue towel. Reminder not to wear any white clothes going on this thing. Oofta. Bugs! Ick! Gross! So I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit, you know, there's some like, see some speckles all over this dash, and being perfectly honest, it's most of the flies that fly around in here. So what we're gonna do, I just have some polish, and because this is metal and it's painted surface, we're just gonna polish it and see what it looks like after. So you've seen the bugs, we're gonna do a little polish. Not perfect, some of that stuff's burnt in there permanently, but at least it's shiny anyway. Cleans up actually, looks pretty good. High beam and low beam. A park light. One park light. One park light. One missing park light. Is that a bulb issue or is it squaring? Oh! Check it out, check it out. No! Something's loosey-goosey in there. Is he toast? Okay, well, we got one park light to work on. How's the back? I'm not sure if I can believe this, but taillight on the left side works, and taillight on the right side. That's pretty crazy. That's really crazy. Okay, I'm gonna. If you're looking at this saying, watch, you don't get those contacts sprayed together. Well, you're probably right, but power's off, so it shouldn't. That bulb go. Can you believe a truck that's sat around this long still has lights that work like that? Like, I mean, that's gotta chalk it up to the GM and engineers in the 60, because whatever they did, that's pretty amazing that that still works. If you want to see something even more crazy than the park lights working, check this out. What? Just saying, that's pretty bizarre that the interior light works on this old truck yet. Ooh. Makes the shininess on the chrome and the steering wheel look like, you know, 10 cents better. Little upholstery action. See? It's like a, it's like I took it to a shop to get it done. Perfect. Oh, the old ductor tape. Let's patch up the seat. Oh, that's beautiful. Should go into automotive upholstery maybe. Knocking this one out of the park. Well, as far as cleaning goes, that's pretty much it. Normally I'd hang a little tree on there, but kind of out of little trees today, so last thing to do, we'll squirt her up. Smells like a new rig. So that's kind of where we are with the C10. Cleaned up, ready to go for a trip. Really got to get some floorboards in it and that sort of thing. You saw that rust stuff going on, but the rest of it looks pretty good. You know, we're just idling along here. I don't think this truck has ever idled so good as it does now, so that's a big bonus. But yeah, we're gonna keep working it a little bit. I ordered some brake stuff, so that's probably gonna be the next thing. We're still running the original front drums, which, you know, I mean, it stops, but there's no rear brakes at all, so I'd like to get at least one good set of brakes and then we'll go from there. But yeah, that's kind of the truck for the moment, and getting it cleaned out, pulling all that garbage out of the seat, that's always a it's good to get that stuff cleaned up. So anyway, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're into C10 stuff, I got some merch. You can check in the link in the description and go find yourself a t-shirt. And if there's anything you'd like to see in the store there, let me know. I can make something up for you. But for now, keep watching along. We're going to keep the old C10 going. And we're going to get it out on the highway eventually here. See how that goes. So anyway, take care. Have a great day.